What's going on, YouTube? We back with another one. We got a banger here for y'all. We got some unreleased heats dropping the 9th, February 9th, I think it is. Yeah. So unreleased heat. So look, go cop these, because I'm telling you now, they gonna be a sleeper. They're gonna be a sleeper. But I need y'all right now to do me a favor. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, because it don't cost you nothing. It don't cost you nothing. It don't cost you a dime, nickel, pennies, none of that. None of that come out your pocket but to hit that button. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can stay up to date on everything. Everything be okay. Yes, be okay. Blacked out family. We here. Yo, let's get into these shoes. Yo, I told y'all, and I keep telling y'all, we gonna keep different shit. I'm telling y'all now, we keeping the different heat. I'm tired of Jordans. I'm so tired of Jordans. So if y'all here for Jordans, this is not the channel for y'all. They might pop up every now and again, but this ain't the channel for y'all. Hey, we definitely staying different though. And with these, I love this color. This is a fall color. Oh man, it's a fall color, which is crazy that it's a fall color and it's coming out in the winter. I don't understand this. Nike need to get their drops right or whatever they doing, but they can't drop colors that just don't go with nothing. That means you gotta sit and hold this shoe until the right time to wear this. And it shouldn't be like that. So without further ado, we gonna get to these. We gonna get to them. Yes, I got Ironstone, Celery, Cavestone. What? Hey, that's a crazy color name. Boy, this sound like some deep cover shit. This sound like it's some deep, crazy, like, granite. Like, what is this? Let's get into it, though. Y'all ready? Bam. Yes. Yo. Yes. Come on, let's get the other one out. Let's see the other one. Yup, let's see the other one. Bam. Yo. Tell me how you like those. Yes. Man. Yes, this is the Air Max 95 Ironstone. Ironstone? Did I say that? Is that right? Yeah. Ironstone. Celery and olive gray, which is just some crazy colors together. You see the gray on the back of there. I need an Air Max 95 to drop with that type of leather on the back of it. You see that back heel tab and that type of leather, how it's so plush, and like they took just the best leather and put it on the back, which is crazy because ain't no leather nowhere else on this shoe but on this back tab, which is crazy. It's gray. Then you got that, it is. Well, you got the front where the laces go. That it got it on there. This yellow pops so tough on this shoe. You got it on the bottom. You got it on the laces here. This yellow pops so tough on this. Like I said, this do drop on Nike's sneaker app. On the 9th, I think it's today, or yeah, the Nike sneaker app today. So if you're trying to cop, go cop. But yeah, this is a cold shoe. These colors pop so well in this shoe. I mean, that yellow, man, and you know they keep this suede on the toe that sets this shoe off apart from a lot of different shoes. Air Max 95 has to be some of the most comfortable shoes that I've ever worn. They might not be to you, but for me, for Air Max, these and the Air Max 1s are some of the most comfortable shoes. I'm not a fan of the Air Max 90. I just don't like the toe box and how they feel on feet and how they look fat on foot. But these, yes. Inside, you got that Air Max 90 in the inside with that Nike Air Max in the inside with the yellow. Man, they did this shoe justice. It reminded me of the black Air Force One, the black and gray Air Force One with the yellow hits, but this color just takes this shoe to a whole new level. You got the the bubble in the inside, this yellow, man, this just takes this shoe to a whole new level. But nevertheless, this shoe do retail for I think $180. So if y'all looking to cop these, tomorrow might be the best day to cop them off the sneakers app. I got mine from In-Clothing. Overseas, little action, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all looking to cop, definitely, especially early pairs like this, definitely holler at some of them overseas places. I just was on BSTN and tried to order some of these, and for some reason they won't ship Nike no more. I don't know why, but it says it's flagging something where they not shipping to some states or whatever, or just US. I'm not sure. Maybe whatever it's coming from, because I think that's in Germany. So I'm not sure. BSTN, but In-Clothing still shipping, and it's another company, but I'm not naming them because I don't shop with them no more. But it's another company, and they definitely ship still. So, but if y'all go back to some of my later videos, y'all will see what company I'm talking about. It's the with that question mark, that company. Yeah, we not best with them no more. Nope. But definitely, if you're looking to cop 180 sneakers app, hey, dope shoe, dope colorway. It's an Air Max 95. The comfortability is there, and yo, this your boy Blacked Out Kicks coming at you with another banger for that ass. Yo, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, once again, always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.